Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. Today I got a quick video for y'all before I start my 2-mile run. I told y'all for the next couple of videos, I'm gonna be doing videos for people that have bad credit, between 500 and 600. So I'm gonna be bringing you a line of credit that you could get today, a personal loan that you could get today with CREDITFRESH. Now, to qualify for CREDITFRESH, just to let you know, you need to have a bank account that they'll be able to verify you, that you need to provide at least 4 pay stubs so they could give you approval. Now, CREDITFRESH been around for a little bit, and just to let you know, anytime you're trying to check any company that I told you, family member might tell you, go right online and go to Trustpilot. CREDITFRESH got a 4.6 out of 5. So overall, it is a legit company. This is valuable only in certain states. You will have to put your information. They'll tell you if you could get approved for this loan. Now, between $500 and $5,000, right? So if you're willing to move forward with them, after you do that, the biggest thing on this loan, listen up clearly, the interest rate on this loan, I would have to say, starts off at 65%. I know you're throwing your phone right now watching this video saying 65, this is outrageous, this is crazy. Why are you doing a video on CREDITFRESH? Because again, people have been asking me to do more videos for people that have horrible credit. And these are the kind of loans, line of credits that you'll be able to get with a credit score between 500 and 600. You get what I'm saying? So this is why I give away my ebook twice a year for free on my website. So always look out for that. But again, you can't get approved with CREDITFRESH. Now, am I saying going out there and go get CREDITFRESH? No, it could put you in a worse position that you already are in. So I'm definitely not going to promote you to say go do that, to go ahead and maybe get an interest rate of not only 65, it might be 80, 85, 90. Yes, it's easy to get approved as long as you're a U.S. citizen, you're 18 years old, you got those pay stubs to verify, and might have a bank to verify and get approved. But I don't want you to be in more debt that you already are. You get what I'm saying? But the only time you should be using this, let's say you got a flat tire, kids need some food, they're about to turn off your light in a couple of days, I will say get this loan. Get this loan, and as soon as you get paid, pay it back. These is what these loans is kind of used. In my past, when I was fixing my credit about 7 years ago, I was on my journey. I took out loans that had high interest rate, but I did not keep it long. This is why we stress. Yes, certain loans, lines of credit, whatever it may be, might be high with the interest rate, but long as you got a plan to get out of it, that's the goal. I have took a personal loan out when I had a 630 credit score for $25,000, and that interest rate was over 24%, but I paid it back within 5 months. So I didn't pay all the interest that they thought they was going to get back. As long as you got a plan, again, these kind of loans is for state of emergency, not to get it to go waste the money, go have vacation, going out to eat, going, just wasting the money. Use it for emergency. Again, that's the only time you should be even thinking about and considering using any kind of loan that has a 65% APR. So again, I'm here. I want to see you win. I got information for y'all. I'm get the gems for y'all. So this week, again, all the videos are going to be for people that have bad credit. And this is a line of credit that you'll be able to get, but it's something that you need to think about. I don't advise you to. I advise you to always to fix your personal credit score and then go after another line of credit, personal loan, or whatever it may be that has better interest rate. So get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.